Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, all of you. Please watch the video till the end. I'm trying every single day. I don't know when I will be able to speak in front of anyone or public place. Already I started public place, and I'm removing my already I removing my shyness, but it's not enough for me. I have to be more attentive. I have to be more good at, and I don't know when I will be good at and when I will be more attentive. And it's very important for me. That's why I'm trying it every single day, and it's enough for me. No, dear bro Sarwar, it's not enough for me. You have to try again and again, and when you will be able to speak confidently and a long time, after that you will get success. Okay, I will try my best. And not only that, my honorable teacher and respectful brother and wise guest, everyone inspiring me every single day. That's why I'm getting confidence, and hope everybody will not only inspire, pray for me, because it's a very good dream. It's a very good job for me. I have to be success at any cost, day by day. I know it's not possible suddenly. We have to spend time. We have to speak the whole time. After that, I can reach my destination. And lot of people came here to what I can say. Lot of people came here by they are walking beside the road, and really it's a good rally, and they are talking with confidently. And this maybe will be our upcoming national election. About national election, they are sharing with others. As you know, our national election upcoming, that's why they are collecting poll by slogan and counting a poll. It will be very good election for us. We have to wait that day, and everybody will waiting for that day. Our election will be very good this season. Our upcoming national election will be a historical election, I thought. And what do you say? Please write down in the comment box. And I also give poll with enjoy. It's my expectation. I don't know I will be able to or no. If Almighty want, I will give poll with enjoy. Or if Almighty don't want, it will won't be possible for me, because if I join our duty, it won't